In this video, I am going to show you how to use Zelle to transfer money between bank accounts. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. To transfer money to a bank account using Zelle, start by opening the Zelle mobile app or visiting their official website and logging into your account using your credentials. Once you're inside your account, navigate to the Settings section from the drop-down menu and look for the option related to bank accounts. From there, you'll see a list of financial institutions. Find your bank and select it. After selecting your bank, you'll be asked to enter your banking details, such as your account information and the email address linked to your bank account. This step connects your bank account to Zelle so you can start sending money. After your account is successfully linked, go to the Move Money section and click on it to see the available options. From the list, choose the Transfer option, and you'll then see all the bank accounts you've connected to Zelle. Select the one you want to send money to, then enter the amount you wish to transfer. Take a moment to carefully review the transaction details to make sure everything is correct before proceeding. Once you're confident the information is accurate, confirm the transaction and tap on the Send button to complete the transfer. That's all it takes to move money between bank accounts using Zelle.
Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or at in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.